Alright, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to generate your tax ID. Yes, how to get your tax ID using just your smartphone and doing it with just your NIN. Yeah, so what is a tax ID? A tax ID is simply an official number the government uses to recognize you or your business for tax matters. So in Nigeria it is called TIN, so a tax identification number. TIN, that is the thing, is how the government knows your company exists in the tax system. You need it to open a corporate bank account, file taxes, bid for contracts, register for VAT if required, and generally move like a legitimate business. Yeah, not like a ghost. So one important thing I want you to know is that TIN is free. Yeah, it is completely free, and you don't need to charge anybody to do yours. You don't need to pay anybody to do yours. You understand? I generated my own just for free and with just my NIN. So in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do the same. Also, do all to like, share, comment, and very importantly, do all to subscribe to this channel, as I'll be bringing you more updates like this. Alright, so let's continue. So one more thing I want you to know is that the TIN, once it has been issued to you, it stays with you or your business permanently. You don't need to renew it yearly. You get? So you just use it whenever tax or official financial matters comes up. You understand? So you don't need to renew it, you don't need to change it. It becomes your number, just like the way you have your NIN, just like the way you have your BVN, just like the way that's just the same way you have your TIN. Hope you understand. So let me show you how to do it. Now let's go. Okay, so here's how to do it. The first thing you do is to log on to the website taxid.nrs.gov.ng. So this is it. You log into it, then this is how the interface is. So the first thing you do is you come, make sure this you select individual. We have individual, we have corporate, we have others. You understand? So make sure you select individual, then you come here, make sure you select national identification number. That is this tax ID retrieval method. You select national identification number. You get the point? So that's it. Then you enter your NIN. So already have it here. So you click on retrieve tax ID. So once you click on it, this is what will pop out. Then you type in your first name. That is according to your NIN, the first name on your NIN, and you type it. Then you type in your last name. Your last name is your surname. So you type in your surname, then you choose your date of birth. So after you're done, then you click on turn this on. I hereby consent to the processing of my information for tax related identity verification. Then you click on good, then submit. So this is it. After you are done, you get your ID immediately. So you can copy it and save it somewhere, save it on Google Drive, save it in a place where you can always retrieve it. So that is, you can screenshot it and also save it somewhere you can easily retrieve it. So that is it. Thank you. So that is it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you in my next video.